Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. And in this video, we're going to explore the amazing realm of ginger and all the ways it may improve your health. You have come to the perfect spot if you are seeking to add some spice to your life in a very literal sense. Before we jump into the health benefits, let's take a closer look at what makes ginger such a remarkable root. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, belongs to the Zingiberaceae family and has been a staple in both culinary and traditional medicine for centuries. Perennial ginger plants are known for their fragrant flowers and their ability to flourish in warm, humid environments. Commonly, we make use of the rhizome, which is the horizontally growing subterranean stem of the plant that imparts ginger's signature flavor. The rhizome's flesh can range from pale yellow to ivory, and its skin can be thick or thin depending on the variety. It's this part of the plant that we harvest and use in various forms, from fresh and dried to powdered and as an essential oil. The delicate rhizomes must be handled with extreme care during ginger harvesting, which is typically done by hand. After being harvested, ginger is washed and dried before being prepared to be used in culinary recipes and traditional medicine all across the globe. So, in essence, ginger is not just a spice, it's a botanical marvel with a rich history, a distinctive flavor profile, and a host of health-promoting properties. Now that we've got a solid understanding of what ginger is, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse that is ginger. Let's uncover the nutritional treasure trove that lies within this humble root. Ginger isn't just about flavor, it's a powerhouse of essential nutrients that contribute to its impressive health benefits. At the heart of ginger's medicinal properties is a bioactive compound called gingerol. This compound is responsible for much of ginger's distinctive flavor and is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. There are many vitamins and minerals in ginger in addition to gingerol. Ginger is a great source of manganese, a mineral that is essential for strong bones. In addition to its many health benefits, ginger is an excellent source of magnesium and vitamin B6, two minerals that are essential for proper brain development and energy metabolism. Ginger is a fantastic spice since it enhances the taste of food without making it more calorically dense. If you're managing your calorie intake, ginger is a great way to add flavor without sacrificing nutrition. Let's not forget the hydrating aspect of ginger. Whether consumed in teas, soups, or as part of a dish, ginger can contribute to your daily fluid intake. Its warming properties make it a popular choice in cold weather to help keep the body comfortably warm from the inside. For those looking for a concentrated dose of ginger's benefits, supplements and extracts are available. However, it's essential to remember that whole ginger, as part of your diet, provides a spectrum of nutrients that may not be fully captured in isolated forms. In summary, the nutritional value of ginger extends far beyond its delightful taste. From the powerful gingerol to essential vitamins and minerals, ginger brings a lot to the table, or should I say, to your plate. A word of caution, while ginger offers a multitude of health benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone. If you have a specific health condition or are taking medication, consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. Let's spice things up with some fun and fascinating facts about this vibrant root. Did you know that ginger was one of the first spices to be traded internationally? It traveled from Southeast Asia to the Middle East, and eventually it became a highly sought-after commodity in medieval Europe. Spicy Sanskrit. The word ginger comes from the Sanskrit word Srngavaram, which means horn root, describing the root's shape. Gingerbread origins. Gingerbread dates back to ancient Greece, where it was used in ceremonial cakes. However, it was the medieval Europeans who popularized the gingerbread we know today, often shaped into figures and used as decorations. Shakespearean spice. William Shakespeare mentioned ginger in two of his plays, Macbeth and Love's Labour's Lost, highlighting its popularity even in the Elizabethan era. Ginger in space. In 2018, scientists sent ginger to space as part of an experiment to study how it would grow in a microgravity environment. The results showed that ginger could be grown successfully in space, opening up possibilities for cultivating crops on long-duration space missions. World's largest gingerbread house, the largest gingerbread house ever made according to Guinness World Records, was constructed in Texas in 2013. It measured 2,520 square feet and used over 35 million calories worth of ingredients. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. One of the most well-known benefits of ginger is its positive impact on digestive health. Ginger can be a natural solution for occasional nausea or indigestion. It reduces pain and discomfort by relaxing the muscles in the digestive tract, which makes digestion easier. Ginger is very good at reducing inflammation. A lot of health problems like arthritis and heart disease are linked to chronic inflammation. Ginger can help lower inflammation in the body, which is good for your health and well-being as a whole. It's more important than ever to make our defense systems stronger. Antioxidants in ginger can help fight oxidative stress and keep your immune system strong. Adding ginger to your daily routine will help your body fight off common illnesses. Ginger has many health benefits besides helping the digestive system, reducing inflammation and boosting the immune system. It can ease the pain of your period, ease muscle pain after working out, and even lower your blood sugar. It's a flexible spice that can be used in many ways. Now that we've talked about all the great things ginger can do for you, let's talk about how easy it is to add it to your daily diet. There are so many things that can be made, from teas and smoothies to main meals and sweets. That's it for today's video, friends. I hope you found this information on the benefits of eating ginger daily helpful and inspiring. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite recipes, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. See you next time. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and enjoy life. See you in the next video.